Do you want to animate the drawings made by your kids? Then open the wonderful website, sketch.metademolab.com. On this website, you can animate anything by simply uploading the image, and then with a few simple steps you can animate the image. You can also download the video or share it with your friends. Let me show you how I have animated this drawing made by my kid. I have opened the website and then press the Get Started button. Now, I will press the Upload Photo button and will upload the image. Now, I will press the Next button. Now press Agree or Disagree button depending on you. I pressed Agree button. Now, adjust the image by resizing. Once resizing is done, press the Next button. Here, if the body parts of the character are not highlighted, you can use the pen and eraser tools, or else press the Next button. Now, you can see the joints and bones. You can adjust them. And then press the Next button. Now, finally, you will see different animations that you can add to your character. Add animation whichever you like. You need to simply click on the animation and it will be added to your character. Click on different animations and see how the character behaves. Once you are done, click on the Share button. You can here download the video by pressing the Download button and it will be saved to your device. Or share the link with your friends. Isn't it cool? So what are you waiting for? Upload the drawing of your kids and animate that, they will be surprised. Thanks for watching, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.